Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Strava app for cycling. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download and install the Strava app onto your mobile device. You can do that by going to your Player App Store. Now once you've done that, go ahead and open up Strava. It might prompt you to sign in or create a new account, so do either. Then once you've signed in or created your new account, you're going to be taken to the home page here. And now once you're on the home page, go ahead and click on your user profile, and I suggest adjusting your cycling settings. So to do this, go click onto edit, and then in your profile it says edit profile, primary sport, just go ahead and change that to cycling, and then click on the done to save. Then go back to the home page here. Also, it might prompt you to turn on GPS permissions for accurate tracking. Just go ahead and allow that. And another thing we can try is if you have sensors like heart rate monitor, cadence sensor, or power meter, pair them via your Bluetooth. Then from here, we want to go ahead and start a ride. So go ahead and click on the record button here. And now we'll say choose a sport. Scroll down and look for cycle sports. So now depending what type of cycling you're going to do, so if it's just a ride, click ride, mountain bike ride, gravel ride, e-bike ride, just choose which one is relevant. So for this demonstration, do ride. And then from here, click on the start button, the big orange start logo. Then from here, during your ride, Strava will track the distance, speed, elevation, route, and time. You can also lock the screen or leave the phone in your pocket. It will keep recording. If you need a break, go ahead and press the pause key here. Then press resume again to continue your ride. Now once you've done, finish and save. So add details like title, bike type, notes, or photos, and then tap save activity to upload it to your profile. Then from there we can explore your stats. So you can review ride details such as pace, segments, elevation gain, and calories burned. Strava highlights segments, popular stretches of road trail, and compares your time with others, which is a pretty cool feature. You'll also earn achievements like PRs and KOM, QOMs,